Suzuki Europe's Resilience racing team again featured a sport bike with an old livery. This time it was the turn of the Suzuki GSX R1000R Team Classic with 1985 Racing. Team Classic Suzuki, who often follow endurance legends 4-hour race, always show old-school motorcycles with livery according to his time. Like when at Donington Park 6 May 7, 2018 ago with Suzuki Katana Jadol. Last year in British Superbike wildcard holder Bennett's Suzuki used the classic Suzuki livery of the 1980s. Apparently not only the old sport bike who got a touch of classical style graphics, now turn to the latest product, GSX R1000R. Suzuki GSX R1000R Team Classic received livery as in the past 33 years. Like livery on GSX R750 with blue shades on fairing, complete with sponsor graphics Suzuki vintage parts. But the rest with the latest accessories, of course, such as lever guards, engine case savers, carbon frame cover, pillion seat cowl, fuel cap trim, carbon air intakes, double bubble screen, axle sliders and paddock booth bobbins. While the GSX R1000R itself is certainly still bringing the latest technology adopted from MotoGP. Like variable valve timing systems like GSX-RR, 10-stage traction control, quick shifter, auto blipper, launch control, and cornering ABS. Unfortunately, not described Suzuki GSX R1000R Team CL.